Fix League of Legends Reconnect loop bug, 100% work. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix League of Legends Reconnect loop bug in 2025. So there are multiple ways that you can fix the issue. Like first of all, you can run League as admin via properties. So on your keyboard, you have to press the Windows logo plus R key simultaneously to open the run box, copy and paste C slash Riot Games slash League of Legends slash game and hit enter to open the folder. As you can see, the run command and the uh, command and click OK. And after opening the folder, you have to click on the properties and select the compatible tab, take the box next to run this program as an administrator, then click apply and then OK to apply the changes, as you can see. So, and now try to launch your game to test if your issue has been resolved. And the next solution is you can update your network adapter driver. So first of all, you have to download and install driver easy and run driver easy and click the scan now button. Driver easy will then scan your computer and detect any problem if you have in the driver, and you have to click the activate and update button to next flag device to automatically download and install the correct version of the driver, or click update all, as you can see. And after updating, restart your computer to take effects. And the next solution is you can change your DNS server address. So for that, you have to press the Windows logo plus R key on your keyboard to invoke the run box, and you have to type CMD, then press Shift and Enter at the same time. If prompt for permission, you have to click yes, as you can see, and you have to copy ipconfig slash flush DNS and paste it in the pop-up window. Then you have to press Enter and your DNS cache is successfully cleared. And on your taskbar, you have to right click the network icon and then click Open Network and internet settings, as you can see here. And after that, you have to click change adapter option on right here. And after that, you have to right click on the Ethernet and click on the properties. And after clicking on properties, you have to select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, then click properties, as you can see. And after that, you have to use the following DNS server addresses. Fill in the Google DNS server addresses as below, then click OK. As you can see, preferred DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS server is 8.8.4.4. And after giving that, you have to press OK. And the next solution is you can download and install all Windows updates. So for that, you have to press the Windows logo key plus I on your keyboard to open the Windows Settings app and select Windows Update for the from the left panel. Then click Check for updates, as you can see here. And Windows will scan for any available updates. If updates are found, they will be downloaded and installed automatically. This process may take some time depending on the size of the updates. And if you are using Windows 10, you can also go in the update and security settings of Windows and just click for on click for updates, and it will automatic update. And you can remove Citrix workspace. So on your keyboard, you have to place Windows logo plus R keys at the same time and open the run dialog box. You have to type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. And after that, you have to find the publisher, Citrix or ICA client, right click it and select uninstall. And you have to restart your computer afterwards. If your Citrix workspace can't be installed in this way, please try the following instead. On your keyboard, press Windows logo plus R key at the same time. To open the run dialog, type CMD and the press enter. And you have to copy and paste this command like Citrix workspace app.exe slash install and hit enter, and that's how you can install that. And the last solution is ensure no security software is interfering with your game. On your keyboard, press the Windows key plus I to open the windows and select privacy and security, virus and protection, and select manage settings under exclusion as B. Select add or remove exclusion, select add or add an exclusion, and then add these locations. As you can see, program files slash radware guard, guide games slash rad client, rad games slash League of Legends. And you can also disable debug memory dump on your keyboard. You can press the Windows plus R to open the run dialog and type sys dm.cpl and press enter to open the system properties. And as you can see here, and after that you have to go to advanced, and uh, you have to click on settings under the startup and recovery option. And in the startup and recovery windows, look at the section called write debugging information, and you have to click on to the none, and that's it. That's how you can easily fix League of Legends loop, reconnect loop bug problem in 2025. So see you on the next video.